Please, attention. Every pain gives a lesson and every lesson changes a person. With this wonderful quotation, one and all present over here, Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the hardworking and dedicated teachers of Uttarayan Academy, and my dear friends. This is me, Pia Negi, standing in front of you all to command today's morning assembly. So classes, stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Prayer is a vital act and communication with God. So now I would like to call my classmate to sing the prayer. Attention. Sanity. Attention. Place is a way to sense of responsibility or to respect elders. So now I would like to call Natik Rawat for pledge.
Good morning, Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the hardworking teachers and my dear friends. This is Vinayak on behalf of 8th Standard, standing in front of you to say the pledge. So classes get ready for pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I should always strive to be a loyal and worthy citizen of it. I show respect to my parents, teachers, and elders. I show kindness to animals, to my country, and my people. I teach my devotion in their happiness and prosperity, alone as my happiness. May God give a countryman peace and prosperity. Jai Hind. भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. Thank you.
Classes sit down. Plan and interact with world. So I would like to call Varun Khetwal for thought.
Good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal and all the worthy teachers, staff members and my dear friends. Today I am Varun Singh Hitwal standing here to say my thought, and my thought is our attitude towards life determines life attitude towards us. I repeat my thought once again. Our attitude towards life determines life attitude towards us. I translate my thought in Hindi. हमारा जीवन का दृष्टिकोण ही हमारे जीवन के प्रति हमें निर्धारित करता है. Thank you. Have a nice day.
News serves as the primary source of information. So now I would like to call my senior for news.
Good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the worthy staff of Uttarayan Academy, and my dear friends. This is me, Utkarsh Rautela, behalf of Class 9. Today I am here to inform you about some current happenings. And my first news is from international. Thailand court suspended its Prime Minister on leak of a phone call. And my next news is from national. Eight people died in an explosion of chemical factory in Telangana, and 7 are still trapped. And my next news is from sports. Today is a second test match between India and England. And my next news is Bitcoin have been improved itself by 0.5% of itself. And my next news is from weather temperature. Today is a temperature of Bageshwar is 25 degrees Celsius, and it can rain today, and humidity is 80%. Thank you and have a nice day.
It is important to develop critical thinking and to research skills. So now I would like to call my senior for article.
Honorable Chairman, Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the staff members of Uttarayan Academy, and my dear friend. First of all, very freshly and charming good morning to all of you. This is me, Tamanna Barihar, behalf of Class 9. I am standing here to present my article on my topic is Impacts of Internet. The Internet has profoundly impacted various aspects of modern life, offering both significant benefits and potential drawbacks. It has revolutionized communication, access for information, business, education, and social interaction, but also present changing life, misinformation, online addiction, and cybersecurity threat. Positive impact, better access for information, a vast amount of information is freely available, online from dividers, knowledge and education resource, business and e-commerce. The internet has transformed the business landscape, enabling e-commerce, online marketing, remote work opportunities, improved education. The online learning platform has a digital resource, have expanded access to education, enhanced learning experience. Negative impact, misinformation and fake news. The spread of misinformation and fake news online can have serious consequences impacting public opinions, trust in institutions, even public health. Cybersecurity threat, online activity, high risk of cyber hacking, identity theft and PIVA, requiring users to be vigilant about their online security. Addiction and mental health. Excuse internet use can lead to addiction, social isolation, negative impact on mental health, particularly among younger users. Thank you very much.
For the world better. So now I would like to call my classmate Ravi Shankar to ask you some GK questions.
Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and the hardworking staff of Uttarayan Academy, and my dear friends. First of my today's GK questions topic is Mughal Empire. So, in which year the first battle of Panipat began? The correct answer is 1526. And my second question is, in which year Aurangzeb ended the jizya tax for the first time? In which year Aurangzeb ended the jizya tax for the first time? The correct answer is 1564. In which year? My next question is, My next question is, who is the first Mughal emperor? The correct answer is Babur. Yes, your answer is correct. And my next question is, the who is known as the Jinda Peer in Mughal emperor? Who is known as the Jinda Peer in Mughal emperor? Jinda. The correct answer is Aurangzeb. Thank you very much.
All are they have done?
Student life for the holistic development of the student. So now I would like to call respected new physics sir for motivating us.
Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the fellow hardworking teachers and all the staff of Uttarayan Academy. My name is Gaurav Joshi and I am your new physics teacher. So I will teach physics from class 9th onwards to class 12. I have done my graduation and PG from Government PG College Ranikhet, and I have taught in 3 different schools, and this is my 4th school. So I am looking forward. Hope we will learn from each other. Thank you. And today's thought is, arise, awake and do not stop till the goal is reached. This quote is by Swami Vivekananda. Thank you. Have a nice day.
As the wonder king of our school, so now I would like to call Divyans for poem.
Chairman's stapler piston on the hardwood. Teacher and my dear, first for joining good morning. I love you, my name. Divyansh Khetwal from the LKG. Today my Hindi poem. देखो देखो सर्कस, भालू हाथी बंदरला, छोटा सा एक जोकरला, जोकर ने एक गाना गा, ये सब खेल दिखाए, सबका मन बेला. My English poem. Inchi Winchi Spy, trumpet of the water spout, down come the rain, and was poor Inchi out come the sunshine, and light up all the rain, and Inchi Winchi Spider, trumpet of the water spout again. Thank you.